Maximizing efficiency with Salesforce Lightning tips for admins in today's fast-paced business world. Efficiency is key to beating the competition. Salesforce admins can boost productivity by using all of Salesforce Lightning. It will also streamline workflows. This video will share tips to help admins optimize Salesforce Lightning. It will enhance their experience with the platform. Salesforce Lightning best practices. Customize Lightning experience. Tailoring it to your needs can boost adoption and productivity. Customizing page layouts, profiles, and permissions can help. It can streamline processes and make navigation more intuitive. Optimize dashboards. Create personalized dashboards with key metrics and reports. They should provide users with quick insights. Customizing dashboard components and filters can help. It can focus on key performance indicators and drive informed decisions. Salesforce Lightning strategies for admins. User training and support. Train users to use the Lightning experience. Then, provide ongoing support. Data management best practices. Set data policies to ensure data security and integrity. Regularly clean up redundant or outdated data. Set up data validation rules. Install data backup strategies. Use admin tools. Explore the admin tools in Salesforce Lightning. These include Data Loader, Workbench, and Salesforce. These tools can simplify tasks. They include importing, exporting, analyzing data, and managing users. Enhancing Salesforce Lightning productivity. Automation. Use tools like Process Builder and Lightning Flows. They automate workflows and cut manual tasks. Collaboration. Encourage users to collaborate. Set up chatter groups, share files, and work on projects in real time. Analytics. Use Salesforce reports and dashboards to track key metrics. Analyze data trends to gain insights for better decisions. Conclusion. In conclusion, admins must maximize efficiency with Salesforce Lightning. It is key to driving success and productivity. By following this video tips, admins can improve their Salesforce Lightning experience. They can also streamline workflows and boost productivity. Investigate emerging features, tools, and strategies on a regular basis. It's key to staying ahead in today's competitive business world.